So, you want space and you're tired of your neighbors banging on the floors and banging on the walls every which way next to you? Welcome to this beautiful property here in Jamaica Estates, Queens, New York. 17373 Croydon Road with over 2,200 square feet of pure blissfulness. So we're going to start off with the outside of the property. As you guys can see, we have this beautiful pan over. We have this beautiful lawn. We have this beautiful everything that's going on here, which is always great. You can hear the birds chirping. And no, I did not put that in the editing. This is actually birds chirping. We're going to start off with the outside, like I said. The side wall. We have tons of space over here. So now when you have those beautiful areas that I know that you love to do, you can easily do that here with no problems whatsoever. So now we have this beautiful. So now we have this garage, right? Let's walk back. Don't worry about it. Just walk, babe. Follow me. All right, come. So now as we walk back here, we're gonna pass this garage. So what's great about this garage is that it's not just a garage, it's a garage and a shed. So when we come over here, just dig a lot of the lawn here. Inside of the house, you'll be able to see the outside of the house, which is always guaranteed. So, we're sitting on a double lot. What does that mean? There's a big possibility if you wanted to build another house on this property, you definitely can. You have the opportunity to. You have the space to, which is always great. Come over here, we have a stage. Why? Maybe you want to do a concert. We have a smooth grill. Back in my days, I used to do a little something on the stage every now and then, but that's for another thing. Well, if you guys follow me, you guys already know. So we have all of this space here. All of this space. Now, what's great about this area is that we have this parking area. Hillside. You have breakfast straight down this way. It's on the other side of the McDonald's, which is not too far from here at all. I actually used to be the general manager, so right now there's a check cashing place at 179 Hillside Avenue. That used to be a Burger King. That was actually the first Burger King in New York. Yes, I was the manager there, the general manager there. Okay, let's do it. So now I'm going to take you guys on the tour. Oh, you can and I'm going to take you guys on the tour of the inside of the property. I'm going to walk inside. And now I'm just going to Alright, awesome. So now we're inside of the property. I wanted to show you guys how beautiful it was outside. Now let's show how beautiful it is on the inside. So when you see here, there's a beautiful sunroom. Tons of sunlight. You have windows all throughout. You can't get enough windows. It's almost like you're outside, but inside. So when it rains or snows, you can definitely be able to enjoy the elegant beauty of it while in the comfort of your home in the dryness, right? So now we come over here. We're in the living room space. Well, not the dining space. We're in the living room space, the entertainment space where you guys will sit here, gather for quality time. We have a beautiful working fireplace right here. Ceiling height seems to be somewhere around a circumference of 10 feet high, which is always great. It's great for somebody like me. I'm 5'6", 5'7" on a good day, and I need all the space I can get, right? So now we're looking to here, dining room space. Dining room space is beautiful. One of my favorite things about the first floor are the fixtures. So as you can see, these beautiful chandeliers that they did not skip out on anything in this property. Hardwood flooring all throughout, beautiful, beautiful windows. And they actually did very good with the windows. I've been in a lot of properties and the windows, you can hear everything going on outside. Right now there's stuff going on outside and you can't hear what the heat. So you have these beautiful windows. When you look through the windows, you can see what's going on outside. You can see your loved ones, if you guys are barbecuing, if you guys are jogging the road, if you guys are doing anything out there, you'll be able to see it. So that's what I was alluding to when I said you'll be able to see the inside or the outside from the inside. As we walk over here, so now this property has 2 full baths and 2 half baths. So this is going to be the first half bath right here. So in an event where it's time to cook, and you gotta, oh my gosh, I gotta use the bathroom, you don't have to run all the way upstairs, you have it right here. Talk about convenient. Now we have stainless steel appliances all throughout the property, right? We have this beautiful stove, Samsung microwave, we have the, oh, I messed up. We have the, what's this? We have the dishwasher. We have the dishwasher, beautiful cabinets all throughout, recessed lighting. Now the fridge is definitely going to be over here by the windows that we told you about. Over here, but you know, it's still good, it's still convenient. Talk about outside space and convenience. If you guys wanted to, you can come over here and you have a door straight to the outside. So you don't have to go through the front door. If you didn't want people walking through the front door, you wanted them to walk through the side door, you definitely could. Finished basement downstairs. I have a video of that, let's not worry about that. Now we want to go upstairs, right? Now what's beautiful about the upstairs, let me tell you guys this. We have three king size bedrooms upstairs, 3 of them. Easily fit the king size bed with furniture. Let's go over here and see. I promise you guys are gonna be wild. If not, I don't know what to do. All right, so the first full bath, as soon as you walk upstairs, hits you, boom. Beautiful full bath, beautiful full bath. Got the tub, some people like tubs, some people don't, but we have a tub here. So we're gonna walk into the first bedroom. This is the first guest bedroom. Some people call it the secondary. I just learned a new word, tertiary, right? So I want to call it the tertiary bedroom, which means like secondary, like tertiary colors, like red, orange, right? So this is like that for real estate, right? So now this is a king size room. We have a full size bed in here. Full size bed, you can easily fit a king size bed in here. Still have all of the furniture that you guys see, and it still not feel claustrophobic. It still don't feel cluttered. And oh my gosh, I gotta get out of here. When I was younger, bedroom that I had, shoebox. Big closets, which is always a plus. We're going to walk down over here. Okay, so we're going to walk down over here. Second guest bedroom. We have a king size bed in here already, as you guys can see. High ceilings, which is great. I told you guys around 10 feet high are the ceilings, or at least it feels that way to me. 2 great size windows. We're facing Croydon Road with these windows here. What's beautiful about that, this is not an area where there's tons of traffic going on. There's barely any cars going here. It's a very quiet neighborhood, which is always appreciated by most. And even if it wasn't, the property is set back just enough to where you don't get bothered by the noise. On top of the great windows that we have in here. Okay, great size closet, full closet. So imagine, when I was a kid, my closet was this big. My closet was this big. We have a full-blown attic. Now, my gift to you guys for being so patient with this beautiful space, the master bedroom. Hold on. The primary bedroom. Boom! Look at this. Primary bedroom. Primary bedroom is extremely gorgeous. Extremely gorgeous. We have high ceilings, super high ceilings, recessed lighting all throughout. King size bedroom already present here, as you can see. Still tons of space. We have a beautiful couch. Boom, put a day bed here if you wanted to. Again, hardwood flooring all throughout. We still have tons of space, even though we have furniture in here. This right here is a masterpiece. 2 great size windows looking at the backyard. We have this window over here looking at the side yard. And then right next to that window is, guess what? Nothing other than walk-in closet. Now, as you can see, everything is packed up. So when we talk about motivated sellers, these motivated sellers are motivated sellers, Okay? Now, what's also great about any primary bedroom is going to be, guess what? Primary ensuite. Boom. Oh my gosh. Talk about beauty. Talk about beauty, talk about beauty, talk about beauty. This right here is amazing. Recently done about 3 to 5 years ago. The jacuzzi tub, this tub has a jacuzzi in it. The jacuzzi tub has barely been used. We have a skylight in here, recessed lighting, beautiful LED lit mirror. We still have the frosted glass inside of the shower, which is always great. Marble flooring, but I think it's marble flooring. Right, we have central air, so you'll be able to see it throughout. Zone, well, it's not like separately zoned, but this is the control panel for the central air. So there you go, you have it. We have a beautiful property. Let's just summarize it. Over 6,600 square feet. Now that was done on Property Shark. When we measured it, it came up to over 9,000 square feet. Take with that information as you will. That's the entire lot, double lot. You can definitely build on top of this property. What do I mean by that? You have this house, you can build in the back, another property. Amazing. What else? We have driving. We have, let's go downstairs.